Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 27th, 2022. Very important day for all of the traders because it looks like we are going to have a busy day. So let's dig in the Forex calendar. What do we see here is, of course, the key event of today. European Central Bank Interest Rate Decision, scheduled for release at 4:15 together with the deposit facility rate, ECB marginal lending facility and ECB Monetary Policy Statement. The press conference is scheduled 30 minutes after this event at 2:45 p.m. So, what are the expectations? As you probably know, the expectations are very high because the market participants are seeing the hike in the interest rates from 1.25% to 2%. Deposit facility rates should hike from 0.75 to 1.50. This is 100%. Marginal lending facility, the same level with the facility rate. And of course, it's all about the delivering the interest rate decision or not delivering the interest rate decision by the European Central Bank. Maybe they will even hike more than 2%. In that situation, when the interest rate decision is bigger than expected, euro will rally like no tomorrow and the euro dollar should go down. However, it's very, very important to listen and focus during the ECB press conference for any kind of remarks, any kind of hints regarding the future monetary policy. We have other data today. The other data are from the US, of course, and we have the core durable orders, GDP, and initial jobless claims scheduled for release at 2:30. So please stay focused during the time of the news release. At 4:15, there is the ECB President Lagarde. She will give a speech as well. So this is a very important event. So it looks like a very, very busy day. Very the day when you should stay focused during the beginning of the US session and the late European session. So please, again, stay focused during stay focused from 2:15 until apparently, I guess, 4:15. So that's a job for the traders for today. However, let's just focus on the technical part right now. Let's skip to the euro dollar chart. For our chart of the euro dollar is showing us a nice breakout above the parity level. Recently, the US dollar rally has hit the level of 1.0094, so it's been traded over almost 100 pips above the parity level. And this rally, as you can see, let me just zoom in here. This rally ended with some pin bars here, and we have 3 red candles. So we are, of course, pulling back ahead of the news. But before the ECB interest rate decision, market decided to rally ahead of the news into the extremely overbought market conditions on the 4-hour chart. Let's just take a look how it looks on the daily. Daily still has a room to grow higher. So very interesting situation. We might end up with even stronger euro dollar rally, especially if the ECB will deliver bigger than expected interest rate hike. The next target for the euro dollar are 1.0122 and then of course there are higher levels located here, for example between the 1.0254 and 1.0293. For the daily time frame, we of course have completely a little bit more of the different targets. As you can see, 0.254 is located here, so that's out of the channel. Above the channel, 1.0293 is even higher, and then we got this very important swing swing high at 1.0369. Yes, 69. So I guess that this will be some sort of the possible game changer for the market participants. However, let's just switch back to the 4 hour on the euro dollar. We are going to focus on this market on the 4 hour chart, because what I would like to show you again is the Fibonacci extension tool. So what do we have here? Extension 100%, almost to the pip. So the market very nicely done the ABC correction to the upside. So let me just show it that to you. This is wave A, this is wave B, and this is wave C, and that's nothing wrong with that, because we got the geometry of the between A, B and C. So of course right now the probability, the odds for a pullback are much higher than for the rally. However, because of the another external event, which is in that situation ECB Interest Rate Decision, we of course have to prepare for another scenario that this rally will be extended, where the next target is 1.27 and the other target is 1.61, and these targets are apparently more likely to happen when that situation will progress more, will develop more, will evolve more into the impulsive scenario, impulsive cycle. So that's very exciting to see some kind of an impulse on the euro dollar. Next target 127 is 1.0219, 161 is 1.0379, which is very close to the wave A game, the swing of the of one of the high of the ones of the swing, which is a game changer for the market of the euro dollar. So very excited, yes, we are all waiting for it. So let's see, will the ECB deliver or not? That's the question. And I think this in-depth analysis of the euro dollar will likely give you some ideas of how to trade this event. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is doing its own thing, and it's very, very interesting that the Bitcoin has broken above the supply zone. The recent high made at 21,017 is another confirmation of the strong bullish movement to the upside. I guess it will be, I think it will be like 10% from a breakout. There you go, this is like a breakout, and the breakout has, yeah, almost 10%. There you go, 9.20%. Ethereum bounced already 19%. So very, very strong move, coordinated move, both of the on the Bitcoin, on the Ethereum. So it's like a this move might drag with them another tokens, cryptocurrencies as well. The other cryptocurrencies might and tokens might follow Bitcoin and Ethereum and move to the upside as well. So right now we are pulling back from the extremely overbought market conditions on the 4-hour chart. So support is now, of course, let me just show you that, guys. 19,950, 20,211, you got 20,472, and of course you have 20,050, $580. So those are the supports. This zone here should work as the support as well. So it should be, let me make it a little bit less greener. There you go. This should work more like a support right now, or like a demand zone even. So please keep an eye on this zone as well. And it looks like we have a very nice breakout. Let's wait and see whether this breakout will be continued, because the next target is 22,410, and then we got the high of this swing at 22,793 $93. So very nice breakout. Let's see if it will be sustained, if it will be continued after the pullback. And last but not least, before the interest rate decision and the data from the US economy, let's extend the right end of this trend line on gold. For our chart of gold, let's switch to the daily. It will be better to switch to the daily. There you go. This is the gold. The gold daily time frame chart. The high with the bearish engulfing pattern was made at the 8th of the March 2022. So that's over half of the year, and this is definition, textbook example and definition of the downtrend on gold. Nothing is going on here, nothing important. However, you might consider the recent test of 1615 as a possible double top. And especially we have, please consider that we have the bullish divergence, positive divergence here between the momentum on the daily time frame chart and price behavior. We are approaching 30 days moving average, the supply zone and the trend line. If we break strongly above this zone, that might be the first indication the downtrend might be completed or terminated. And then the next target is 1729, and it must be violated in order to confirm the bigger correction coming or the trend reversal is happening. So please keep an eye on the gold as well. Very interesting setup is in the making right now. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow for the Friday technical review. So take care and bye bye.